Suite3399 is a multi-chain Web3 real estate company focused on tourism in the metaverse. We have over 50 years of combined tech and hands-on tourism experience. Our revenue model consists of virtual land sales, virtual leases, brand integration/retail, token sales and royalties. The company traction to date includes a fully designed and planned catalog of 2D worlds with an estimated market value of $200.5 million. 34 NFTs listed on OpenSea.com with a market value of $200,000, NFTs listed on NiftyGateway.com, and over 32,000 total lots in current inventory encompassing 3 resort developments. Suite3399 is poised for success due to our fully developed and pre-designed master plans in 2D in our inventory, which is ready to be rendered into 3D. Very limited direct competition within the Web3 tourism real estate space. Our team has previous success with its launch of the OsgodAgency.com, which is our crypto gaming token. The company is at its seed stage and has not taken on any outside investment since its launch in 2022. The company is pre-revenue and has bootstrapped all activities to date. Its pre-money valuation is $5.6 million based on 2.5% of our $225 million inventory.